Hey guys, welcome again in a new video, and today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern or password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, so don't worry at all. The new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data in your phone may be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method, you should fully battery charged at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method update every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you will have to subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network has been on in my phone. It means I will have to close my Wi-Fi network. So simply if you have to close the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get a lots of key here. Now you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate your flight mode, and when you will activate your flight mode, your all the network like Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network will be closed. Now one of the most important thing that you will have to also do with your phone, your all the running application before your phone was not locked should be closed. So generally it is not possible to close the running application before your phone is unlocked. So there are some secret code which generated by the service center to close the running application in the mode of locked phone. Okay, so this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. And if what I'm going to give you in this video secret code work in your smartphone, it means it's okay. Otherwise you can wait for 2 or 3 days for the next upcoming secret code to close the running application. Now how will you feed this secret code in your phone to close the running application? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside, and you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. Now you will have to simply click on emergency call option. When you will click on emergency call option, you will get a page of a dialing pad. Now you will have to dial this secret code in the dialing pad. That is the secret code is star 888, then star 55, then star 000, then hash. After dialing this number in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this number, and when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and you will have to do this process 3 times. Now the process has been done. It means all the background running application is closed now. Now my phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Now a secret code, or you may also know as a USSD code, I am going to give you. This USSD code generally used to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, and this secret code is star hash 899, then hash. After clicking on hash, you can see here a new page has been appeared in my phone display. Now you can see engineer's mode has been activated. Now there are lots of key on this page, you can see here, but all the keys have the specific function to modify your phone as your uses. Okay, if you are designing video, it means you will have to modify your phone as your use, like designing or gaming phone. Okay, so in this video I will only give you how you can unlock your phone. Now you can see here there is an option of a software version. So simply you will have to go with this software version option. simply you will have to click on this option. And when you will click on this option, you will get a new page like this, and you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here. But at the second number, you can see here there is an option of a software version. It depends on your phone, whatever your software version is showing here. My phone's Android version is 12, it means Android version 12 is showing here at the second number, second option. If your phone's Android version is 13, it means your phone will be show here Android version 13 or Android version 10 or 11. Okay, if your Android version is 11, it means you will have to click on this option 11 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 12, it means I will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now I will have to go with the back button. You can see here that is a back button, and when I will click on this back button, I will reach to the previous page. And you can also see there is another option above the software version, you can see here, that is manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, that is assembly test project. And you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option here. Now simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this until you reach to a option of other. Okay, now you can see here at the end of this page the other option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are 5 type of option on this page, you can see here. And you can see at the 4th number the option is database version, and it's also known as a mainboard version. If your phone is showing your mainboard version, then don't worry about it. Both the option has the same function but the different name, but don't worry about the name. Now simply you will have to click on this database version or mainboard version 9 times rapidly. Now you can see like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the next step what I am going to give you to unlock your phone, that is read write important lock test, you can see here. And when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will ask to confirm the option, but you don't have to confirm this with the OK button. You will have to go with the cancel button at the first time, and again at the second time you will have to do the same cancel button, and at the third time you will have to do the same. But when you will click on this read write important lock test at the 4th time, now you will have to ask to confirm this, but at the 4th time you will have to confirm this option with the OK button. And when you will confirm this with the OK button, your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means your forgotten pin pattern and passwords are deleted now. It means your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now the final and the last step what I am going to give you is most important. So if you have missed any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So be proper, follow the properly every step, okay. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone, okay. So now the final step what you have to do, simply you will have to go with the back button, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this to reach to the option of a device debugging page. Now you can see there is an option of a device debugging page here, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. Now you can see there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number, you can see here. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get 2 type of option or 3 type of option on your phone display, okay. But don't worry about this, all the option will be showing here. Operation not started, operation not started. So simply you will have to click on both option or one option, and you will have to start this operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test pass message like this: operation started, test failed, operation started, test failed. You will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message, okay. It's a time taking process, so keep patience and continue click on these option. It may take a long time, so you will have to continue clicking on these option until you get a single test pass message. Now you can see one option showing here test pass message. It means my unlocking method has been done. It means my phone has been completely unlocked without visiting any service center and without need any computer software, okay. Now what you have to do, now you have to simply click on the home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on home button, you can see. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my phone as it is as in my phone. So if this video helped you to unlock your smartphone with OPPO or vivo, it means it's okay. You can subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next update.